Is that the sound of bird? No, that's the sound of lizard. Uh, okay. Well, okay. Yep. Sure. I agree with what happened there. That's that those events make sense, honestly. That bird just killed itself. Why? 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 I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game so much. Uh, did it break? Did the game break? Hello, game? Game, are you okay? Did I should be dead, right? This is the part of the game where I'm dead, right? What is happening? What? Okay, the game broke. Do I have to like exit and then go back in now? What is this? Why did they? Oh, okay. Yep. I know what happened there. Last time I went in here, I died a painful death. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. Guy? Nah, man. You show up whenever you want. Show up. Oh. What is this? What is happening? What is this? What's happening? uh, I did not get a notepad, but I just found a shelter. So that's what I call luck. That was complete pure luck, not skill at all. I was completely 100% afraid there. But luckily, now that that did work, I get content for this stream. Nobody thought it was gonna happen, but it's here. Guys, the content is happening. I'm quite literally playing the game right now. What are these guys? Yo, what up, guys? What? Whoa. Okay, bye. Oh, what's that guy? Hey, guy. There's a guy in the bottom right. I don't know what he does, but he's there. I almost just died. I almost just died there. You guys would have witnessed my death live on stream. Isn't that something everybody wants to see on Twitch? Just a streamer dying live? I feel like that would definitely get some views. Why is battle music playing? Oh, that's why battle music is playing. Okay, did I... Hey guys, I died live on stream. Can I get views now? This man! Come on, no. No. Swing. Oh! No! Oh. Oh, come on. Yes. How did I survive that? How did I do anything there? The weather is depressing. Weather 1 was pretty good in my opinion. Weather 2, it had a better budget, but I didn't get as interested in the film. I just did a backflip. Okay, what the frick even? What the frick even game? There were two lizards like stacked on top of each other, and they ejected the the pink one ejected the purple one out at me at Mach 10. Freaking what even? I got my hopes up that this would be a content stream with like actual progress, but no, we're just gonna die to the same lizard 20 times in a row. But you guys wanted actual gameplay? I just want to die to lizards over and over and over and over and over and over. Okay. Sure. Oh yes, explosive spears. I'm gonna destroy Erd. Okay. Yeah. Gameplay. Me grab grenade and also explosive spear. I'm literally I am the demolitionist. If the demolitionist. He just stole my spear. The nerve of some people. Bruh. Are you actually serious? Why even, like, give me stuff if I can't use it? Can I, like, attack them with the exploding spear? Yeah, that's the plan. Oh, they're mad. Oh, they went all mad on me. Sorry, guy, I'm gonna murder all of you. Well, okay. He picked me up when he was stabbed with an explosive spear, and then and then killed me when he died. He freaking kamikazed me. Is it like random which stuff is in here? Can I? Oh, okay. Give normal spear. I just want a normal spear, guys. Come on. Stop. Okay. Stop. Why? They just they revive every single time. What? They just let me be alive this time. Yoink. Okay. Okay. I don't understand how these guys work. All I'm getting is that I'm not allowed to carry a spear through here for some reason, which is cool. Honestly, why do they give me a, like, cache of secret stuff and then just not let me use it? Like, what's even the point in that? Freaking what even? Yeah, with the map, it seems like the only place to go is just up. What is this guy? I want to try killing this guy. 360 no scope. Oh, that worked. Sure. Guy? Guy. Is there nothing here other than the guy? Crap. I don't know what this guy is. I want to try throwing him, but I feel like I'll lose him if I throw him. Because I'm just like the topography of the land. You know what? Screw it. Yeet. Yeet. Can I not throw him? Is he stuck to me? I can't throw him. What even? Okay, fine then, game. I just have a thing stuck to me now. Does that mean I just can't use one of my hands? I can't eat it. It's not food. It's literally just like stuck to me. That's so... I thought it was like a special tool or something. But no, it's just a curse. It's just a curse. Maybe if I vomit out the blue pearl that I have in me, and then switch hands, and then... I can't even, like, store it in my belly. It's literally just actually stuck on me. That's so... That's, like, a cool thing, but I don't want to be cursed with this for the rest of eternity, because now if I make progress, then I'm just going to be stuck with this thing on me. Congrats, random bug in the game. You disabled me. Yeah, I genuinely thought that I was just, like, doing the hard route for the lulz. But it's just not even true. I'm forced to go down this path. I'll never progress through the game at all ever if I can't make this jump consistently. You... What? What? Oh. What? Grappling hook? I'm still, like, dead, but... Okay, now I'm double dead, but... Now that I know it's a grappling hook... So I'm gonna try streaming at, like, 5:30 every day that I don't work. Or 5:30 Mountain Time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are all of the monkeys dead? Did every single monkey just die? Okay. Sure. Oh, and I died. How do I deal with this thing? Do I just, like, get lucky? Part of me feels like I should just get lucky. Alright. That's what I call getting lucky. I'm gonna go grab the freaking guy. Like, yeet. I don't even care that it's stuck on my hand now. I have a grappling hook. Yeet. Oh my gosh. That's so fun. Guys, I'm actually making progress. Oh! Dude. Do I have food? Oh, there's a bird. There's a bird. Bruh. Literally, what even? Guys, I did it! I'm way too happy for surviving, like, one cycle. Oh, that's the danger. What? Bruh. Oh, yes, I'm so slick. I'm so slick. Do I have to juke this guy every single time? Oh, I grappled him! Whew. Although, for some reason, part of me feels like this part is where I die. Ah, stupid lizard can't jump. Okay, yeah, okay. Guess not. Maybe if they fight over my corpse, I can escape. There's an invisible guy. Maybe if he fights over my corpse, I can escape. Yes! 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 Oh my gosh, that should not have worked. That should not have worked at all. Oh. I threw it away. Guys, I threw away that amazing chance. I was too pumped that I managed to not die. This is so sad. I did that so good. Come on. We're on 11. We're on 12. There's gonna be both of these guys out here. Yeah. You know, for some reason, part of me feels like that's a bad idea to deal with. But, are you serious? Did the fake pole just grab me? Am I dead now? Yep. Yeah, freaking Slugcat is taking a beating today. You guys see that? That looked wrong to you guys too, right? Ooh. New music. What the frick is happening? Are there explosions? Oh, that's why. Oh, did they kill a bird? Oh my gosh. They just, like, actually killed a bird. Yeah, that worked. Oh, that didn't work. Oh. Okay. Okay. I mean, you could also not do that. Are we locked in eternity now? Is this just like... Do I just exist? Let me go. Let me go. Yo, let me down. Let me out. Get out. Come on. Let me out. Oh. Oh. Yes. Gamer. Now I get back to Chaos Town. See? It's my favorite. It's just actual chaos. Oh, I rode the bird, and then I died. I perished. Oh, there's a rainbow! Bruh, that's like actually kind of pretty. And I was just getting used to the really bland palette. I want to eat those fruits. Yeah, so the reason I'm not rage quitting yet is because if the lizards fight over my body, and that happens, then I'm free. The fruits aren't killing me. It was like, oh my gosh. Oh, whoa, did you guys see that? Did Slugcat just like glitch out really hard? Monkey. Monkey, sacrifice yourself so that I may live. Is he dead? Looks like he's dead. Oh, purple. This is the part where I just let the monkeys do my bidding. Is that another monkey? Yeah! Bro, this is like straight up warfare. Oh? What? What? What the frick was that seizure? Do I have to put a seizure warning now? I want more seizures to happen. That was interesting. Birds are adorable. Like I viewed a bird once. Pretty cute, honestly. I viewed a bird a second time. Kind of less cute, but still pretty up there. This is what I get for talking about birds. Why did you guys make me talk about birds? I died again. Bro, I'm gonna cry over Slugcat because it's such a beautiful creature. Like, if you've ever viewed Slugcat, you know that he's, like, at least above average. If I had to choose a single fictional creature to... I'm not gonna finish that sentence. I died again. I'm glad you guys enjoy me just dying at the same spot over and over again. What is that bird doing? Accidental, accidental cool stuff. Accidental cool stuff. I just hope that people don't think that, oh, this guy, he's a Rain World YouTuber. He does Rain World stuff only. Because I want to play a lot of different stuff. This is so me when I actually successfully play the game. Guys, you witnessed it here first. Guys, you didn't witness it here first. I thought I had enough food. Oh, is it about to rain? Oh yeah, it's about to rain. Actual perfect timing. It's about to rain and I got a shelter. Oh my gosh. That was a lot. That was a lot of stuff. That was literally like... That was so long. Oh, more lore. There he is. That's Slugcat with the spear. Oh, this is the entire lore. I get to see dead Slugcats and Slugcat with a spear. This is so cool. I'm kind of scared. It's been like an entire stream and a half since I've been to a new area. This is just food. I don't trust myself enough to get that. I genuinely do not think I am good enough at the game to get that. That's death? thought that was where I was supposed to go. Ah, why is it so like not obvious with where I'm supposed to go and where I'm supposed to not go? Oh, that was sick. Part 2? Nope. Not part 2. Can't do it twice. Oh, frick. This. Wait, I have grappling hook. Oh, that was actually slick. That was like actually really slick. Did you see that? That was freaking woo. At least one. Where? Hello? Where am I? Where am I? Okay. Well. Okay, that worked. Gamer. Ooh. Ooh! This little thing makes it so that my symbol stays when I die. Oh? Scavenger merchant? What? What is this? Is this where I use my pearl? Yeet. Pearl? Oh? Wait. Did this guy just like take my pearl and then leave? I will go forever. I will not stop until I die. What's happening? Oh, okay. Wait, this is actually really bad. He just survived that? You telling me he survived an entire explosive sphere shoved up his mouth? Oh, what? Whoa. What is this? Freaking wacky music. Whoa. Okay, I need to... Alright, I died. Okay, bye. Because they go all wacky colors when they get hurt. Oh, no, he let me go. He let me go. No, that was my chance. That was my chance. I could have done it. I could have actually literally done it. I could